everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to create a knowledge base in Bitrix24. So, glad you see it, hit that like button and let's get started. In previous video, we all know about what is knowledge base, how it will work in Bitrix24. Now, we can create a knowledge base in Bitrix24. Any company has the information that employees need to have access to. Create a company knowledge base to keep all employees up to date on the company's affairs. You can use blocks in the team section to introduce employees or anything else if you want to know create any terms and conditions how this company will work, like that we can create. This can help the newcomers to learn more about their qualifications. To create a knowledge base, go to employees and knowledge base tab, and here you can see create button. So we have some two templates, or we can download template from Bitrix24 marketplace. Select any template, specify the knowledge base name and description, select a color theme and click create. Otherwise we can take empty template. So I'm taking here existing template and click on create knowledge base. You can edit the knowledge base sections in the menu by clicking the setting icons. We can add here any of this. Then you can add blocks with text, images and video to the knowledge base pages. And click on the icon in the top right corner to open the knowledge base settings. Here you can specify its URL. Settings button. Here you can choose our knowledge base URL. Select the main page and edit the design. By default, all your company employees have full access to all company knowledge bases. You can also configure access permission to all knowledge bases or to the specific knowledge base. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.